Do you want to learn how to make cool animations without spending hours learning complex softwares? With Plotagon, you can create animated video in minutes. Hey, welcome to my channel where I make tech and AI super easy for beginners. In this video, you will learn how to install and set up Plotagon, create and customize characters, how to write a script and add voices, how to choose scenes and animations, how to add sound effects and music, and how to export and share your videos. By the end, you will have your very own animated video ready to post on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and the like. Let's go. First, head over to plotagon.com or download the app from the Play Store or the App Store. Once you installed the app, open it up and you'll see a beginner-friendly interface. After this, you start the setup. First, you sign up or log in with your details. Then you can explore the interface. You have the characters. There are a lot of them. You have the scenes. You can choose from the different scenes and characters available on the app. After you can input your script. You also have a place where you can do your settings. After which, you can click on Create New to start your first project. You can explore all the options available on Plotagon. Then you'll be able to go ahead and start your first project. Now we can go ahead and creating and customizing characters on Plotagon. This is time to bring your characters to life. Click on Characters and select Create New. Here is where the fun actually begins. Although there are a couple of characters available on Plotagon, but you have the option and the opportunity to create one that suits you. You can recreate the hairstyle and color. You can change the skin tone to meet or to match your script. You can change the facial features. You can change the eye color. You can change the mustache. You can put glasses or sunshade on the character. You can change the other things too. You can change the hairstyle. You can change the clothing. You can change the top. You can change the trouser. You can change the skirt. You can change even the shoes. So you have the opportunity and the liberty to create your character the way it pleases you. So if you want your character to stand out, you can try different outfits and accessories to match their personality. Once your character is ready, hit save and move to the next step, which is writing your script. The next is writing a script and adding dialogue. Now let's write our story. Click on Script and start typing. Every line you write becomes a character dialogue. For instance, you pick a character, you write your script for that character. You pick the second character, you write your script, and it becomes a dialogue between both of them. However, if you want a monologue that's just for one character, you can do that also. You can use Plotagon's built-in text-to-speech voices or record your own voice for personal touch. The choice is yours. You can either make use of the app's voice or you record your own voice. You can also generate your script using ChatGPT, or any other script generating AI or applications, or you can even do it manually yourself to make your work much easier. So once you generate your script, you come here, you add the script and the response if it's a dialogue, and you create your story. Now, let's move on to the next thing, which is choosing scenes and adding animations. Plotagon offers different types of scenes from which you can choose from, ranging from options like cafe, office, outer space, street corner, lounge, elevator, and so on. You can choose from either of these scenes. You can decide, if you decide to choose one scene for different lines, you are allowed. And you can choose different scenes for different part of your script or different lines of your script. So next we choose your scenes, then we add animation to it. In this part, if you want your character to wave, to dance, to show expressions or emotions, you just click the actions you want it to choose and it moves or it shows that action. If you want it to feel sad or show an emotion that is sad, you can choose it. You can choose from different actions in your scene. The next thing we will be doing is adding sound effects and background music to our animation. Music and sound effects makes your animation more engaging. Click on sound and choose background music or effect that suits you. There are various options and alternatives you can choose from, ranging from laughter, rain, applause, and so on. It is advisable to use a soft background music for dialogue and upbeat music for fun moments. All those things can be done right from your Plotagon dashboard or from where you are creating your animations. Once you are satisfied with your animation creation, the next is to export and share your animations. Now, it's time to share our animation and make the world see what we have done. Just click on export. You choose your preferred video quality and you save it to your device. Many YouTubers use Plotagon for storytelling and educational content. Who knows? This might be a way of launching yourself even into that your big break. And that's it. You've just made your first animation using Plotagon. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notification so you never miss out on more easy tech tutorials. You can see how easy it is to make animation video in minutes. You can do this for your social media, your YouTube, or even as an advert for people, whereby you generate money for yourself. I want to know the kind of animation you are planning to make with this knowledge you've just learned. Let me know in the comment section below. Just type the next